Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel English Tube. In this video, we are going to write an essay on the topic My Plans for Summer Vacation. This content can also be written under the topic How I Spent My Summer Vacation. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. Summer vacation is a time eagerly awaited by students and adults alike. It is a time to relax, recharge, and pursue activities that we may not have had time for during the academic year. My plans for this summer vacation include a mix of travel, learning, and leisure. Firstly, I plan to visit my grandparents who live in a different city. I am excited to spend quality time with them, catch up on family news, and enjoy home cooked meals. During my stay, I also plan to explore the local sites such as museums, parks, and historical monuments. Secondly, I want to take an online course in a subject that interests me, such as creative writing. I believe that learning new skills will not only be fun but also help me in my academic and personal life. Lastly, I plan to indulge in my hobbies such as reading, painting, and playing sports. I also want to spend time with my friends, watch movies, and try new cuisines. In conclusion, my summer vacation plans include a mix of travel, learning, and leisure, and I am looking forward to making the most of this time.